class, I want to offer you some words of encouragement as we go into week 6. You are a little more than halfway through the course. I think this literature review project is one of the more challenging projects that you complete in this course. Remembering that this course is about both adult learning theories and also about research skills and using APA style. Those all kind of come together in this assignment in the most significant way in the course. So hang in there. The work of synthesizing research on a topic can be challenging. I've worked one-on-one with a couple students already, and I mention that so that the rest of you know that that is an option that's available to you, both in this class and also as you move forward in the program. I'm planning on prioritizing the grading of your synthesis matrices so I can give you more detailed feedback. And I'm hoping to share an example of a page of my notes that I made when I was tracking some research strategies, trying to locate some specific information. Sometimes what you find is that there are gaps in the research, that what you specifically think someone else probably has written about before, they haven't. And so you need to look at different sources, pull little bits of information from 1, 2, 3, 4 sources, and put those together in a meaningful way that supports the point that you're trying to make. That can be frustrating at times, and it can require more time on your research and more digging. But it can also be really fun, says the librarian, who is also the teacher for your class. I want you to know that if you reach out to me and ask for help finding information, that's absolutely fine. It doesn't count against you in any way, shape, or form with the literature review that you complete. You still have to do the writing and the synthesis and pull all the information together and decide how best to use it. So go ahead and leverage me as a resource if it's needed, if I'm needed. And as I said, I'll get the feedback to you on your synthesis matrices as soon as possible so that you can use that throughout the rest of the week as you complete pulling your literature review together. We do also have a discussion forum this week on Kolb's experiential learning cycle. So I hope you enjoy it, and have a wonderful week. Let me know how you're doing.